Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good morning guys. Yes, how are you guys doing? I hope you slept well. Yes, so this morning I want to show you guys another breakfast recipe. Yes, from my client, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If today is the first time tuning into my channel, my name is Ijetube. You can call me Ije for short. Yes, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Yes, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I put up new videos, you get notifications. Okay, without wasting much time guys, it's breakfast time. Okay, come on.
Entombed in my mind.
Is this okay? Is this enough?
Oh, yeah, it's hot.
It's okay? Finished.
I don't know to give this.
Okay. So
Yeah. You can cut it with this one.
Okay.
Just cut it a little bit, then you can open it.
Yeah. Hi, it's my first day working with this client. You hear me in this video still asking him, is this enough? Is this quantity okay? Trying to understand and know, his preferences and how he wants his stuffs. We allow them make their choices as often as possible, right? Guys, this is water enhancer. This client doesn't take the regular water. You have to add something to it. So we add the liquid water enhancer, berry flavor. Put it in here, and breakfast is ready, guys.
Okay? What?
Is it okay?
It's a touch.
Should I turn it?
It's a touch. Give it to me. Yeah, not this.
Okay.
Okay. Hello people, breakfast is ready and served. This is really simple, healthy, and a light breakfast. See, with lots of healthy ingredients, cornflakes, milk. Very simple for this client. Yes, so this is his medication. He can swallow the medications, right? We don't need to put this in a powdered form. So this is it for today on this video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.